2015. Building software meant building a company. 10 years ago, building a successful software product was not just an exercise in computer science. It was an organizational endeavor. It meant assembling a physical team of human minds, solving complex problems, block by block, line by line, in an endless race against technical friction. Product managers drafting multi-month feature roadmaps, UI and UX designers sketching wireframes and component states, front-end developers writing responsive CSS and React hooks, backend engineers building relational database schemas and API endpoints, DevOps engineers monitoring Kubernetes clusters and cloud infrastructure. And QA teams spending weeks hunting down edge case bugs. A single digital platform often required dozens, sometimes hundreds, of highly specialized human beings. For over 2 decades, the competitive advantage of a software company was measured directly in engineering headcount. Look back across the timeline. 2010, handcrafted C++ and Java code, manual server deployments via physical disks. 2015, the cloud framework explosion, big tech hiring sprees, and massive venture capital burn. 2020, remote work, distributed engineering teams coordinating across time zones. 2023, generative code snippets and early AI inline auto-completion. 2026, autonomous agentic systems. Look closely at the screen in front of you. The code editor is no longer sitting idly, waiting for human keystrokes. It is analyzing the context, synthesizing architecture, and beginning to think ahead. Then, something fundamental shifted in the paradigm. The developer steps away from the desk. The terminal window activates on its own. Dependencies resolving in real time, frameworks scaffolding automatically, routing structures configured, unit tests running and passing with green checkmarks. AI wasn't just suggesting variable names or completing syntax. It was collapsing multi-week development workflows into instant, intent-driven commands. Cursor, Claude, GPT-4o, Copilot, Gemini. Behind every sleek modern development environment lies an accompanied matrix of artificial intelligence. You describe a complex back-end architecture in natural language. The model parses the logical intent, generates clean, type-safe production code, identifies subtle security vulnerabilities, and executes real-time automated refactoring. AI was not replacing developers. It was removing the painful friction and the immense verbal distance between a human idea and a market-ready product. Rewind 10 years ago. Building a scalable SaaS platform required a sleek glass office in Silicon Valley, 40 full-time software engineers on payroll, millions of dollars in venture capital funding, and a massive monthly burn rate. Fast forward to today, a single quiet studio room, a space black MacBook Pro, a fresh cup of coffee, and one solitary builder. Today, a single person can engineer, launch, and operate what once required an entire funded tech startup.
Prompt typed, interface designed, brand identity generated, landing page rendered, REST API deployed, relational database provisioned, GraphQL schema stitched, payment gateway linked, global edge deployment active, CO metadata indexed, real-time analytics flowing. First customer acquired, first revenue recorded. Design, development, testing, deployment, marketing, documentation, customer support. Everything moves faster. What used to require 6 months of sprint planning meetings now unfolds seamlessly over a single weekend. The production dashboard lights up in vibrant green. Active concurrent users signing in from Tokyo, London, Sao Paulo, and San Francisco. Stripe payout notifications ringing on mobile devices in real time. Server load balancing across global edge nodes without human intervention. The historical bottleneck of software creation was raw technical execution, syntactical proficiency, boilerplate code writing, and debugging memory leaks. That historical bottleneck has dissolved. The bottleneck is no longer code. It's ideas, domain intuition, strategic vision, and pure creative clarity.
Examine the economic contrast side by side. In 2016, a technology company required 20 specialized software engineers coordinating on Slack, debating architectural patterns, managing endless technical debt. In 2026, a single creator, equipped with agentic intelligence, orchestrates the exact same output. The question is not whether AI will eliminate programmers. The real question is, how many traditional programmers will future software companies actually need to hire? Beneath this digital transformation lies physical infrastructure, cavernous rows of liquid-cooled GPU clusters, gigawatts of electrical energy powering the global grid, hyperscale silicon data centers pumping compute around the planet. Software is becoming cheaper to build, faster to ship, harder to compete. When the marginal cost of creating software approaches zero, the economic value shifts from the mechanical ability to write syntax to the deep human ability to solve meaningful, real-world problems. Across every corner of the globe, a new wave of tech entrepreneurs is rising. From Ho Chi Minh City to Bengaluru, from Sao Paulo to Austin, from Berlin to Tokyo, individual creators building multi-million-dollar software platforms without hiring a single full-time employee. For the very first time in economic history, a single person armed with AI can stand toe-to-toe and compete with enterprise companies 100 times larger. Picture the near-future tech company, an autonomous AI agent factory running quietly in the background. Agents writing unit tests, drafting technical documentation, resolving Tier 1 customer support tickets in 5 languages, monitoring cloud infrastructure health around the clock. The future company might not hire more human employees. It may simply hire more intelligence. Look back inside that quiet studio office. The desk chair is vacant. The overhead lights are turned off. The laptop screen glows brightly in the pitch darkness. The white cursor continues to type line after line of code. No human hand is on the keyboard. Maybe this isn't the last programmer. Maybe it is the first programmer who never works alone. Nova Atlas, explaining the modern